So, hi guys! Ito na ang ating gift! Thank you sa nagbigay. Mag-unboxing tayo. Unboxing! Ano pangalan niya? JBL. Wala. Bigat. Let's go! Hop. Teka lang. Mahirap. Mahirap buksan. Ano ba? Careful ang ating kutsilyo. Ay! Tangan lang. Magbukas. Wala. Okay. Uy, ito naman talaga. Wala. Ito na. Pero mabigat siya, guys. Oh no, I need help. Help! Dahil mabigat siya. Help! I need help. I cannot move. It's heavy. So we're gonna turn it. Turn it upside down. It's heavy. Can you help me go there so they won't see you? You here? No, it will help me. It's heavy. Just stay there. Then you Kamsa. Ali. Matagal my helper. There's one box. Maybe the mic. Please. I will hold the box, but I don't like this styrofoam. Oh, there's napkin inside. I don't know what's this. Jelly. Down. So, tara, ito na siya. But I don't like his styrofoam. Why did you remove it? Is kira dila ba? Okay, where's the... This is the handle. Wow, guys, ito na. Guys, ito na ang pinakahihintay. Ang pinakagusto ko. Charan! Makakapag-karaoke na tayo. So, yun guys. Meron siyang ganito. Ito na. Kaya. Natin. Medyo mabigat. So at the back, meron siyang saksakan. So, oh. The other one, ano to? Guys. Makikita nyo yan. Meron siyang mga USB, etc. etc. So, i-close it. Wala. Ay! Sorry naman, natumbang nga ang camera. Can you see this one? Maybe ito yung mic. Yung cable. Charger siguro ng mic. Yan ang manual. Wala namang mahilig magbasa. Siyempre, Sharon. Okay. Mike. So, meron siyang kasamang battery. Dito nilalagay yung battery. Yan, dyan. And then lapit. And we will try this. Let's open it. Maingay yung electric fan ko. Okay, where's the power button? I think. Diyan guys. Tingnan nyo. Wow!